Hey, fellow e-commerce explorer, are you ready to dive into the electrifying world of Amazon sales? Hold on to your hats because I'm Jan Michael, your fiery Amazon virtual assistant, and together we're about to embark on an exhilarating journey through the dynamic realm of product research. Picture this: bamboo sofa armrest trays. Imagine sleek, stylish addition to your living room, meticulously crafted with premium quality, natural bamboo, the perfect blend of elegance and practicality. But why this product, you ask? Get ready for the ride of your life because we're about to unveil the secret to skyrocketing success. Market trends are ablaze with over 14,000 searches for bamboo sofa armrest trays. Yes, you heard it, demand is soaring, and we're geared up to rocket straight to the top. Now, let's delve into the numbers. Our profitability calculator paints a promising picture, showcasing a robust net margin of 45.45%, priced at an average of $29.31, with a commendable average sales volume of 358 units, and an average revenue of $10,507. This indicates that the product is profitable, yet faces limited competition. But wait, there's more. Notably, it has no trademarks, it is not gated, and it is not part of the hazmat category. This make it eligible for PPC or promotion, non-electric, and leaves room for improvement that can fuel product development. This bamboo sofa armrest trays weighs a mere 2.71 pounds, making logistics a breeze. And the icing on the cake? They're primed and ready to dominate the advertising scene. So get ready to unleash your promotional prowess like never before. So, are you pumped to supercharge your Amazon venture? Bid farewell to mediocrity and embrace the boundless potential that awaits. Let's team up and create some serious magic together. I'm John Michael Alejandrino, your high voltage Amazon virtual assistant, and I'm here to infuse your business with unparalleled energy. Let's dive in and conquer the e commerce universe together.